My name's Bobby Long, and this song is called Maserati, which is kind of a working title, I guess. Time's short on turning, now the clock's there not working, but she plays my favorite song. This one for the ones we've lost, who knows? And I'm sick of shaking on the money that I'm making. There's not much to go around. That doesn't mean I bring you down. Or buy it, you don't have to like it. But if you're looking for some truth, you've lost it. Get saved. Take the furthest thing that you can't prove. Ignite it, you're spared. Or try to make some sense of it all. She keeps it easy, and the words that I'm speaking goes against my weary head. And I'd rather be alive than dead, you know. So while the earth is turning, keep the fires burning, so I can find my way home, to resist that golden throne. For lightness they preach in darkness. But if you're looking for some truth, you've lost it. Get saved. Take the furthest thing that you can't prove. Ignite it, you're spared. Or try to make some sense of it all. Thank you very much. This next song is it's another new song that'll be on my new album that's coming out in the new year, and it's called I Set Sail for Venice, and it's about a trip with me and it's like a school trip we had to Rome. We stopped at Venice on the way, but we didn't get to go to like the nice part of Venice. We're on the outskirts, like off the island, and it was for one of my friends it was awful, and I wrote a song about it. I set sail for Venice through the Grand Canal, holding on to Rebecca, holding on to hell. I watched things arrive from China, boats and ships galore, bellowing the water, sinking my boat's floor. Her hair hit the wind, tried to play with me, bounced upon my shoulder like the waves caress the sea. You had always told me that sadness follows me. I set sail for Venice, lonely. Lonely. Broken morning, waits for night, scattered pictures lit by wine, lasting kisses spill like wine. And I set sail on both our time. My skin tanning slowly, hers is soft as snow. Walking the canal and wondering, where do the youthful go? Well, I was sinking slowly like the bricks and the stone. How many people live here? How many call it home? Well, she kissed me on my shoulder and let me drink from her cup. We settled on some seating like the heart begs for love. Well, you had always told me that sadness follows me. I set sail for Venice, lonely. Lonely. Lonesome morning, waits for night, scattered pictures lit by wine, lasting kisses spill like wine. So I set sail on both our time. I set sail on both our time. Thank you very much. This next song is a song called Serpentine. Again, it's another new one, and usually in the studio you have these working titles and then they morph into proper titles. But I think, like with the first song, it's just a pretentious title, and we recorded it in Brooklyn, so it fits. You know. This one's called Serpentine. It has nothing to do with snakes or anything to do with the Serpentine Gallery in London either. It's just very pretentious. Yeah. Serpentine, like the rising water, feel shark to dry land, tells the time by burying herself deep down within the sand. She wants to do is please me. She finds it hard to turn off her feelings and atones for all of my sins. And I can't do no better. She even lets me dress her. She finds it hard to turn off her feelings and atones for all of my sins. One more?
Sure.
Yeah. This one's called With So Much Love to Give. It's another new one.
Nice.
With so much love to give, you keep it all locked and hid, like you did when you were a kid. You screwed the lid. But why you do, when I'm here in front of you, I'm calling out for your love with blood on blood, with so much love to give, with so much love to give, but keep the feelings down. You don't need them anyhow. Another face in the crowd, standing tall and proud. But why do what you do, when I'm here in front of you? I'm calling out for your love with blood on blood, with so much love to give, with so much love to give. So open your hands and lay your heart before me and you. Don't waste all your love. But I'm not raining down on you. You're still fine, you're still cool. I just wanted you to see through the distorted view. And I do